Whose car is this? Is it my friend's car or my friend's car? And why do we say the roof of the house but tomorrow's meeting? If these questions confuse you, don't worry. Today we are mastering possessive nouns. A very warm welcome to all you lovers of Englisi to Soot, which means English in three whistles. I'm Pouya Feyz Aghaei, and I'm so happy I can join you for another session to teach you this valuable language. Today's topic is possessive nouns. This is all about showing who owns what. And let me tell you, in Persian, we use an a sound, which we call it kasre, or words like baraye to show possession, like ketâb-e mâdar-am, my mother's book. In English, we have a special way to do this, and we are going to learn them all right now. Let's get started. Possessive nouns show ownership or a relationship between things. The main tools we use are the apostrophe plus s and the word of. Okay, let's see how things are. Category number 1, singular possessive nouns for one person or thing. To show that something belongs to a single person or thing, we add apostrophe s to the end of the noun. For example, Nina's scarf. This means the scarf belongs to Nina. David's chair. This means the chair belongs to David. The cat's food. This means the food is for the cat. What if the singular noun already ends in s? This is a great question for names like Thomas or Chris. You have two options and both are usually correct. For one, adding apostrophe s just like usual. We say Thomas's coat. And for the second, we add only apostrophe, not s. So we say Thomas coat. Both are common, but adding apostrophe s is a good habit to have. Category number 2, plural possessive nouns for more than one person or thing. First, regular plural ending in s. If the noun is plural and already ends in s, like workers or cats, we only add an apostrophe at the end. For example, the workers' tool. This means the tools belongs to the workers, many workers. The cat's toy. This means the toys belongs to the cats, many cats. And secondly, irregular plurals, not ending in s. If the plural noun is irregular and does not ending in s, like men, women, children, people, we treat it as a singular noun and add apostrophe s. For example, the men's jackets. This means the jackets belongs to the men. The children's book. This means the books belongs to the children. Category number 3, joint versus separate possessions. This rule is very useful. First of all, note that if two people own one thing together, you only add apostrophe s to the second person's name. For example, Ali and Layla's bakery. This means Ali and Layla own one bakery together. But if two people own separate things, you add apostrophe s to both names. For example, Ali's and Layla's bags. This means Ali has a bag and Layla has a different bag. They each own their own bag. Category number 4, using of for inanimate objects, non-living things. For things that are not alive, like a house, a car, or a table, it is more common and often sounds more natural to use of instead of apostrophe s. For example, the roof of the house sounds really better than the house's roof. The sound of the bell sounds better than the bell's sound. The wheels of the cart sounds better than the cart's wheels. Category number 5, possession with time expression. This is an exception to previous category. For expression of time, we almost always use apostrophe s, even though time isn't a person. For example, it's incorrect to say the meeting of tomorrow. We always say tomorrow's meeting, next week's show, today's weather, a month holiday. Category number 6, showing a place with apostrophe s. home or workplace. We can use apostrophe s to talk about someone's home or workplace without saying the word house or office or home and etc. For example, I'm going to the dentist's. This means the dentist's office. We are at my uncle's. This means my uncle's house. He stay at his boss's. This means his boss's house. The last but not least is category number 7, nouns as adjectives. We learned this in our last lesson. Sometimes a noun comes before another noun to describe it, but it is not about possessions. In this case, we do not use apostrophe s. For example, a coffee cup. This is a cup for coffee. The cup doesn't belong to the coffee. So we don't say a coffee's cup. We just say a coffee cup. We use always a singular form for nouns as adjective. Do you remember this? And a school bus. This is a bus for the school. The school doesn't necessarily own the bus. So we don't say the school's bus is coming. We say a school bus is coming. Okay? Okay, dear precious souls. Now it's time for practice. This topic has many small traps. Let's practice to make sure you have got it all. Choose the correct option for each sentence. Number 1. My friend name is Alex. I have one friend named Alex. Number 2. The women meeting is at 3 p.m. Number 3. I need to fix the car's door or door of the car. Number 4. This is Sarah and Tom's or Sarah's and Tom's house. They live here together. Number 5. I can hear the babies crying. There are 2 babies. Okay, pause the video here to think about your answer and then play it to hear the answer. Okay, now let's look at the answers. For number 1, we use apostrophe s for singular possessive. So friends is correct. For number 2, we use apostrophe s for irregular plural not ending in s. So women's is correct. For number 3, we use of for possessions with non-living things. So door of the car is correct. For number 4, we use joint possessions. So we add apostrophe s only to the last name, Sarah and Thomas. For number 5, for plural nouns ending in s, add only one apostrophe. So babies become babies with only one apostrophe. Okay, let's have a quick summary. First of all, use of for most non-living things except time. So as an example, we say the color of the wall. And use apostrophe s for singular noun, the student's book. And use apostrophe s again for plural nouns that not ending in s, the children's games. And use only apostrophe for plural noun that ending in s. So we say the student's book. The difference between the student's books and the student's books is in their writing, not in their pronunciations. So remember that. And also remember, a noun used as an adjective does not get an apostrophe s. For example, a water bottle is correct, not a water's bottle. And when we say we are at someone's, this means we are at his or her house or workplace. And the last but not least, for the joint ownership, we only add s to the second person's name, but in separate ownership, we add apostrophe s to the both nouns. Remember that. So we say Ali and Layla's bakery, which means this bakery belongs to these 2 persons, and Ali's and Layla's bags. Both of them have a separate bag. Okay, dear precious souls, excellent job. This was another lesson of nouns. You have learned so much. If this video helped you understand possessive, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel Englisi to Soot. I put a lot of love and effort into making these lessons simple for you. If you appreciate the work and want to support the channel, you can treat me to a coffee. It helps me to keep creating more free content for everyone. Just click the link in the description, buymeacoffee.com/Englisi to Soot. Thank you for your incredible support. See you in the next video and have a nice